Simple apparatus. You have the bowl, and in the middle of the bowl there is a hole, a jug in the water, and mastic. Here we are going to move about 10 meters now, then 10 meters out, then you see what is going to happen. So on the first part, we are going to pour the water in the bowl, then let it drain through this hole, then you put the indicator to see the motion clearly. Water here is foreign object. So we are going to divide the experiment into 3 parts. 10 meters north, 10 meters south, then come exactly on the right of equator. The whole effect is known as Coriolis effect. So we start by north. So join me at north.
This is the experiment showing the equator does in fact.
So here, on the first part, we pour the water in the bowl. First, stopping for fall down. Give it time to settle in order to know the direction of the water. Let the water drain, then you put the indicator to see the motion. You see?
Okay.
Mastic clockwise motion. When you go far from the equator, the motion tends to be faster. Also, tornado on the north, blow turning clockwise motion. And here water is still draining. Yeah, you can take it. If you are okay, you can proceed to the south.
Sure. Okay.
To see what is going to happen. So here now, again on the south, what you have done on the north, you take here, you first pour the water in the bowl, first stopping to pour it from down, give it time to set off, then let it drain, then you put the indicator to see the motion clearly. See?
And it goes the opposite direction.
Clockwise motion.
Counterclockwise. Ladies and
Do you
gentlemen,
believe?
now do you
We're
believe, John?
believers.
Coriolis effect?
It's a simple trick.
It's no.
This is due to magnetic field. When you go far from the equator, the motion tends to be faster. Now you go exactly on the right. Now you go exactly on the right. So here we are now on the right. So take this.
No, we're
Again,
on the
pour water on
line.
the bowl. First, stopping to put it down. Give it time to set off. Then, let it drain. As you can see here, the water is draining straight without turning inside. The indicator. No motion.
Oh my gosh.
No motion at all. Exactly on the right.
No motion at all. Directly on the equator.
Okay, thank you very much for your attention.
Fantastic.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Normally after,
Thank you.
you have a certificate of crossing the equator.
Oh, thank you.
It's a effect you.
Sante.
When you go back to your country,
Asante.
the time you pass the equator. So here on the first part in here, you write your name,
Okay.
date, and time, and here in the middle, you have the official rubber stamp in the office. Certificates are normally sold in the office for just 400 each, but you get stamped.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Michael.
Yes.
Michael, thank you very much.
Thank you.